Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use the Housing Care project website at housingcare.net. From the home page, there's some quick information about the project overview. You can read full details by clicking About. Further down, you can sign up for news updates by entering your email here. You can get in touch via contact, and we are on social media also. Full details about the project are on the About page, including the results. The two main results with this project are the MOOC Massive Online Open Course, which is available from the Learn tab, covered in a separate tutorial. Also, we have a work-based learning toolkit, which can be downloaded as a document, but we also have it broken down into its constituent parts on the toolkit page. So if you click one of the links for tutors, there's a list of downloadable resources in that category. Care workers the same, and VET providers. Also on the site we have a list of partners involved in the project with their biographies, logos and links. And finally, there is a blog to keep up to date with project latest news.